all the slack. Yeah, got his teeth? Oh my God.
Reel it up. Come on, come on, come on. Stop.
Steve Little. It's alright, Dart. It's alright, Dart. Let him have it. Let him have it. It's alright. Let him have it. He's got it. Work the chair for me, will you, Dart? Get the chair pointed.
Don't worry about Ryan. Did you catch him dancing?
Yeah, well, I think I did. Is he coming at us?
He doesn't want to see. He'll be alright.
You want to let this footrest down?
Yeah. Yeah.
I got one bite out of that fish taco.
I got to take a leak.
Boy, that one bite sure was good.
Yeah, those are delicious. My God. Wow.
Oh, you got to be funny.
There's a mango salsa sort of thing going on. You make that as well.
I made all that on board just now.
Brother, you're serious.
Steve, if you want the straps, we can get them for you, baby.
He's taking some, yeah. Up for me, last night. No, he's getting line. He's bringing line in.
He's giving him slack every once in a while. There you go.
Do you want that rod dip higher so you can really get it out of your leg? Raise the rod.
Raise the rod. Ready?
Go. Here. We got you.
Good job.
Let him rest. Put him on the rest. Put him on the boat, Steve.
Back off on the reeling. We have a little slack. We have some slack. Oh! Woo!
Wow, number 3. Nice fish. D'Artagnan, take the rod from him. Steve, take the rod. Somebody take the rod from him. Get him out of the chair. Hold the rod, Dart. Let him come see his fish.
Forward a little bit.
Fish.
Ready, huh?
Awesome.
And keep it forward.
Right, keep hold of the rod. Don't keep your rod in your hand.
Yeah, no, I gotta grab his
Just
bill
like you're
first.
fighting. No, stay right there. Take the slack out. If this fish comes unbuttoned, you're gonna be on the rod.
You want me to grab the bill?
Oh, gotcha.
If you can, yeah, get over here. You got some gloves on, huh?
And watch these hooks on the deck. then.
Forward. All right, you good? Forward.
All right, pretty work, boys. Pretty work. Pretty work. There you go, Steve.
Great.
There you go, brother.
I see a
Good
little
job.
fish on them. Good
Good
job.
job, man.
We're getting faster and faster at this.